welcome back to another episode of Fun Short Fridays with me, Kavya. So, thank you so much, guys, for showering so much love on our first two episodes. We are so glad to have such lovely audience. So, today, for a change, we have a lecturer. She's dynamic, energetic, and very talented. She's none other than Miss Priya Thakur. So, to brief you all a little bit, Priya ma'am is the lecturer of Commerce Department of our very esteemed Loyola Academy. So, is Priya ma'am just a lecturer, or does she just teach a student? Who is Priya ma'am? Who is she beyond a classroom? So what are we waiting for? Let's give it up for Miss Priya Thakur.
Thank you so much, Kavya, for giving such a cute and very nice introduction about me. And I'm really thankful to our college even that they have made this possible. So much of creative thought it is, I feel. And you people have done so much nice work and invited me for this. So thank you so much.
Actually, thank you for accepting our request, ma'am. We are glad that you're here.
Seriously, I'm so thankful.
So, ma'am, how are you? How did quarantine treat you?
Seriously, this is I think so, any common question we are getting to know about it because slowly now unlock situation has come into existence. But yeah, seriously, I miss the students obviously in our college because this pandemic has made so far. We lecturers also miss the students a lot, but seriously, this pandemic has definitely taught me like how to be self, like the self time or the independency. Seriously, because we always depend on others for many things, right? When we go out or when we want to cook something, definitely. But maybe this quarantine made me to learn so many new things and even to try new things. So
Yes,
really
yes.
thanks also I should tell sometime for this pandemic. Seriously.
Wow, I'm so glad that quarantine has been a boon for you. And lately, you have been very health conscious. Like, look at you. You look drop dead gorgeous. So we would love to know your fitness secret.
Seriously, I'm very happy to listen this that I'm looking so good. See, basically what I feel is being a health conscious is not all about always thinking what is your weight or what are you doing every day something. Maybe sometimes we need to concentrate what we are actually because sometimes we don't concentrate mentally how we are growing even. And maybe this pandemic made so many people not to understand actually what they have to do sitting at home.
Yes.
So in this situation, many people have lost their discipline, I feel. Many people, and even they have lost the track of sleeping, everything, eating food. Even I am a very foodie. I'm eating so many things at a time, or whenever we feel lonely or feel like bored and we eat something. And this is how happened with me also. But seriously, when I come to understand, or one day when I sit and think, what am I doing? I lost the track of the routine life what I actually had.
Realization.
So maybe self-realization is very important. I feel sometimes when someone points out something bad in us, we feel so bad. What she's telling, I know what I am doing. Kind of reply we will give.
Yes.
But really when you sit and think, you will understand. Yes, I'm going somewhere, something wrong I'm doing. And that's how maybe I realized in the months of this pandemic, and I'm started concentrating on my health, where I'm going wrong or somewhere, and maybe that's the reason you're seeing the change in me today.
Yes, the change is so much evident. So, ma'am, you're very much inclined towards yoga. So, how was your yoga journey?
So yeah, definitely I should tell about this because yoga been a part of my life since 6 to 7 years, I can tell, because in 2013 I have started this yoga training. Like I took a yoga training and a diploma I have done in yoga. So definitely yoga been a very best part of my life, and slowly since 3 years I'm even teaching yoga. Firstly I started teaching to the old ladies, I can tell.
Okay.
As the housewives, because they might be feeling something to learn, or maybe they have that enthusiasticness to learn something new.
True,
so at that time I felt very unique because I'm being the young person, I'm teaching the old people.
Yes.
That bond will be something different. Today how I'm sitting with such a young beautiful soul, so I used to feel so different when I was teaching to the old people also.
Okay.
So maybe from there I have understood the importance of teaching, because teaching is somewhat no need to see with the age. It's something with the knowledge you are having and you're sharing with others. So definitely that yoga journey is very special to me for me.
Wow, that was so nice to know. I think you have also taken the yoga certificate course in our college.
Yes, definitely. I should thank you, Loyola College, also for giving me this opportunity to teach yoga in college also. So thanks.
That was so, your fitness journey is very motivating. Okay, so we got to know Priya ma'am a little bit. Let's know more about her through this talent round. So, ma'am, apart from being a lecturer, a yoga teacher, so what is that thing that makes you feel alive from within? Like painting is something that makes me feel very happy. So, what is it for you?
Yes, actually, apart from what we do, like health conscious or whatever it is as a profession, there will be so many things which we actually love doing when we are alone at home or something. Maybe singing is that part where I actually love to do because we get connected with the lyrics so well, right?
Yes,
Sometimes
yes,
when we
yes.
are sad, we go on playing the sad songs. Again, we
Yeah.
feel more sad.
Exactly.
That's how it happens you can check my Ghana app also where you can see all the songs related to my moods. When I'm happy, I will be playing those songs. So maybe that's how I feel a stress buster, we can tell, right? So that's how I do.
So, can we have few lines for?
Oh God. Firstly, I'm giving the disclaimer that all the subscribers, please continue to be subscribing and don't go away after listening to me singing. Definitely.
The Janta would love, ma'am.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम दे दिया दिल हाय मेरा दिल दिल देकर मुझको ना बहलाना चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम
Oh my god, my ears are blessed today. I mean, I've never seen this side of you. I don't think anyone has seen this side of Priya, ma'am.
myself too.
Wow, that was brilliant, ma'am. So, guys, if you love this side of Priya, ma'am, let us know in the comment section. I feel you were born only this energetic. So, were you this enthusiastic back in college? What were your special talents back then?
Yeah, I feel so happy that wherever I have studied in my graduation or in the post graduation, like all the lecturers were so encouraging that they have actually saw the talent in me that I do anchoring well. I was interested in that.
Okay.
So maybe I'm seeing my like a junior Priya I'm seeing in front of me. That feel I'm getting right now. So yes, I was very interested in anchoring because I feel like we have that like a mingling thing with others and we can know so much about others when we talk with them or ask some questions to them. So that was the main thing I feel which I have carried away with all my college days in my graduation and also in the post graduation.
Wow, you're a lecturer, a yoga instructor, a singer, and an anchor too. Is there anything you can't do?
Thank you.
So there's absolutely a lot of energy in the house right now. With this energy, let's move on to our next segment. It's a trouble for you and fun for us, and we call it Fun Shot Round. So ma'am, the shots are ready. So for every yes or no, you have to take a shot. For a yes, you have to take the brown one, and for a no, you have to take the white one. So can you take a wild guess of what this brown and white shots are?
This looks like I feel this is like something decoction. I don't know whether it is tea or coffee. And this I feel very normal like lemon water.
Okay, let's see what they are. You're gonna taste it very soon. So, disclaimer guys, these shots are made at home with a lot of love for Priya ma'am because you're health conscious.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so here we go. Let's start. Never have I ever gone to a movie alone.
I went.
It's a yes.
Yes.
So take the brown shot.
I should take in one.
Gulp.
Okay.
How was it? Was your guess right?
I really can't understand whether I guessed it right or not, but it's fine.
You guessed it
Yeah.
right, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, so never have I ever gone live galti se.
No, never happened. Okay.
Take the white shot.
I think so. Like I'm going in a flow. No, this is really making me feel like what it is. Okay. Oh God, so much mirchi is there in this.
Yes.
Seriously. Okay.
Never have I ever taught a class unprepared.
Definitely no. Oh, again that. Oh God.
Yes.
Fine. This is very much like homemade. क्योंकि लगता ना माँ का प्यार पूरा एकदम
With a
spice.
lot of love for you, ma'am.
So much love.
Okay. Never have I ever read a funny answer in answer sheet.
Oh God, yes. I've like seen so many answers like that.
Take a brown shot, ma'am.
Oh, thank God. Now I'm loving this.
We are glad that you're loving the brown shot.
But after having that, this is also becoming bad.
Oh.
Okay.
So your next question is, never have I ever cooked in my life.
Thank God I can tell yes for this, because thanks to quarantine, I started cooking in the quarantine time. Yes.
Okay, take the brown one.
So yes, I can keep a condition, I guess. I want you to take that shot now.
That one, ma'am.
Yes, you made me know homemade with so much love.
Yeah,
Please.
so much love. Is this compulsory?
Yes, you
Or
have
else you
to.
won't be happy if I
Yeah.
don't have this?
Seriously.
Okay. Guys.
So much love.
Hmm.
So much love. Yeah.
So much love. Okay, that was... Cut, guys. So that was so much fun, ma'am. It was really...
Seriously, so much fun.
I love the energy, and also it was very heartwarming. So let's go on to our next question. So initially, where did you start off from? Like basically, what was your initial goal? Because we start off from somewhere and we end up somewhere. So where did your journey actually start off?
Yes, definitely. I can tell that. Like when I was in my childhood, definitely we will be inspired with many things. Like we see someone and we feel like we want to become like them.
Yes.
So in my childhood, when I used to go to school or somewhere, like a teacher was the job where I felt so good. So maybe that was very instinct for me to tell if someone asked what do you want to become, Priya. Then I used to tell teacher.
Yeah.
But that was very instinct answer, I can tell. Maybe I was not really focused to become a teacher. But when I came to my 10th standard, when I was in 10th standard, maybe from that moment my dad started telling me like how it is very important to do a service to the society. And he always encouraged me, always telling that I should be getting into civil services. So from that moment I always felt, yes, I want to become an IAS officer. So after 10th class, definitely I won't tell that I started preparing for civils. Definitely I was concentrating on my intermediate. Then I was into graduation. And from where I finished my graduation, then I decided that I have to take up the coaching. And one interesting part I should tell here is when I joined the coaching center for civil services, I was only 18 years old.
Okay.
Now you may get a doubt here, how can with 18 years of age I completed my graduation and all. So I can tell one interesting story here is that I didn't study nursery, LKG, UKG, 2nd class and 5th class.
Seriously, ma'am.
These 5 classes I didn't study. So I can tell very proudly that मैं 5वीं class से तेज नहीं हूँ. Seriously. But maybe that's how my principal encouraged me in my school level, that he gave me the double promotion.
You were topper kya back then?
I don't want to reveal that now. But yes, not like a topper, but maybe he saw that zeal in me or somewhere, because
Maybe
when
you were potential enough.
Exactly, or not like potential also, maybe I was a very kid, no, he can't see all that. But when I came to school for the first time when I was 5 years old, so he interviewed me, asking, he told my parents that first I'll ask her questions. If she can tell A to Z and 1 to 10, then we'll make her sit in first class. If not, she has to come up with nursery, LKG and UKG. My dad was really worried because I'm already 5 years old. Now 5 years mein to we can't sit in nursery, you know, because all will be like 3 or 4 years old at that time.
Yes.
But luckily, I made my parents so proud that I told A, B, C, D and I continued and 1 to 10. So that's how I feel so good that when I started my civils coaching, I was only 18. So I felt like, okay, anyway, civils coaching is like when you are 21, you are able to write the exam, right?
Yes.
So
You
I
got
felt
ample
like,
time.
3 years of time I have, so I can prepare well. So that's how my civils coaching journey started. And it was for 11 months. The coaching was. I really feel that those 11 months are so worthful for me that today I'm a lecturer. Definitely I'm not into civils now, but I can feel so proud that I have come up with that coaching. I have seen so many good professors. Even JD Lakshmi Narayana, who is like Lok Satta Party president, he also came to give us some initiatives and also he came for a special guest lecture. So I met so many people. Professor Kodandaram, you might have seen at the time of Telangana agitation, that
Yes,
professor, and I met so great people in that journey of my civil services. So I'm glad about it.
Wow, that's something new that we got to know. So, so ma'am, can you give a piece of advice to all the aspirants who are watching this right now?
Definitely, because I can't talk about success right now because you people may think that no, I'm not a civil service person because I'm into teaching now. But definitely, I will tell who are the aspirants who want to get into the services. Definitely, please work hard. Definitely, whatever field you choose, you have to hard work. You have to definitely do that. But what I feel is, first of all, we should understand. There should be some kind of understanding about yourself, what you're interested in, and what you're capable of. Many people don't understand the thin line between the interest and capability. They think that I'm interested into this. But tomorrow when you really start doing that, no, you will get to know, Arey, I'm unable to do this. So maybe you have to realize then, am I capable of doing this? Then you proceed with your interest. It's very good. So where there is a self-realization we tell, right?
Yes.
So that's how I realized maybe somewhere because I was totally into commerce background and I was preparing like again I'm not able to digest the science subjects maybe. Again that biology, so like science, all that I can't able to take up.
Yeah.
So definitely I felt like yes, maybe this is not where I have to be and today I'm here in the Loyola College.
So, how do you feel about, where you ended up finally?
See, you can see me today. You invited me as calling Priya ma'am. That's where I am today. So I really feel happy about it that there should not be regrets in your life. Whatever you do, wherever you are, you should be proud about it. And please don't keep any regrets that why I have done. Something it might have taught you, right? So I will also tell my civils coaching never gone waste. Today I can at least give you an advice that this, you can do this or that. So maybe there I have reached.
Yes.
So
Wow, that was such an amazing advice that you gave. So, we never knew this about you. So, ma'am, let's move on to our next segment and let's elevate some Josh in the house. So, we're gonna play Whisper Challenge. So, we'll be giving you loud music and you have to put that on. And I'll take a shit and I'll tell you and you have to guess what I'm saying.
Acha, so I will be listening to the music and I have to guess.
Yes.
Okay.
We'll be given 2 chances each and let's see who wins.
Okay, so it's like a competition between us?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you hear me, ma'am? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you're all set. Okay, I'm going with my... I'm excited. Guys. Okay. I absolutely don't know these, okay? These are prepared by a production team.
Oh God.
Okay.
Something pani?
Ha, ku, na, ma, ta, ta.
Are you? Oh God.
Ha, ku, na, ma, ta, ta.
Oh God, are you? I'm understanding. What next?
Time up.
Oh
So it is just 10 seconds challenge, ma'am.
Acha.
It's Hakun na matata.
I was literally listening as are you? I'm so sorry.
Okay, done. Let's go on with the next one.
You have to pass your teacher actually. This is very bad.
Okay. Okay. Da. Panda. Kung Fu.
Kung Fu Panda.
Yes!
Panda saved me. Panda saved me.
Okay, 1 point. Now it's my turn.
And now I'm waiting. I believe that I will pick a very good hard one for you. So yes, let's give it to Kavya. Okay, I wore green saree, so let me go with
Wait,
this.
my head is very small.
You keep dancing. Ha ha ha. Okay.
Ala Vaikuntapuramlo.
Chi. Bunny, you're an amazing man. You're doing very nice movies, I guess. Yes. See,
Yeah.
that is a teacher heart, you know, how easily teacher helps a student to pass.
Ma'am, I put full efforts, ma'am, to do
Okay, so one more chance, na?
Yeah.
Let me pick red, danger wala. Students will pass. Not getting very good. Okay. Oh God.
Chaitanya.
Who is this Chaitanya?
My dad.
Gone. Time up. Time up. Yes. Done.
What?
It's chicken burger.
Oh.
What you eat, Kavya? You don't eat, huh?
Okay. Okay. We both had a tie, but it's okay. We both are winners.
Yes.
Ma'am, that was amazing. How did you feel?
Seriously, I'm happy that I got one and she too got one.
So it was a tie,
Yes.
but we enjoyed it.
seriously.
Okay, so I guess this challenge takes me back to online classes because you know sometimes we are we are
No, I should
muted,
ask
but-
now only. Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I visible?
Yes.
These are the main two words we use as soon as we start the online class.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, I'm in so much awe with you right now. I mean, you're such a versatile person I've ever met. I guess everyone in this room right now is having such a big fat smile. They're loving you having here. So, you know, from all of our team members, from our side, we have a little surprise for you.
Okay.
Check it out.
Okay. So what's that?
It's a surprise.
Oh
Hi
God!
everybody,
My dad
Sunil
came.
Singh, father of Priya Thakur. I am a retired government servant.
He loved to tell that.
Ever since her childhood days, my daughter Priya Thakur used to like the profession of teaching, and luckily she became a lecturer in Laila Academy. I wish her all success as a lecturer, and I wish all success to the students of Laila Academy in taking initiative to know more about their faculty. Once again, I wish all the best to the students of Laila Academy. Thank you. Once again, I wish all the best to the students of Laila
From
Academy.
where this video
Thank
you
you.
got? I will be all.
Laila Degree College, who has given
mom
me this
also, have a same
opportunity
frame
to
they
talk
got,
about
huh?
my daughter Thakur Satyapriya, who is working as lecturer. She was aspirant about civil services. Later, she got interest in teaching, and she first joined in Stanley Degree College. Later, she has now working in Laila Degree College. She is a yoga teacher also. Students, she likes teaching profession like anything. Since childhood, she was interested in teaching. She is a more bold, intelligent and courageous girl. We love her like anything. She is our चांद से प्यारी, सितारों से प्यारी, तू जान हमारी. This is our from my side and from her father's side.
She's covering it.
You will be knowing more about her from her students. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Oh God.
Hi Thakur, I hope you're enjoying this segment of personal messages for you. I have been asked to speak something about you. पापा की परी, मम्मी की लाडली, friends की प्यारी, and students की तो don't even get me started. So, you've been a really good friend of mine. We've had a short journey together, but then it was a good one. I've we've cried together, we've laughed, we've made fun, we've bunked classes. My journey with you was a really amazing one. Thank you for all the memories that we've had together, and all that I can pray for is your happiness, your uniqueness, and your good health. Have a nice time.
Hi Priya, this is a good surprise for you. We are very proud of you.
Did you get her?
Thanks for being a good friend, a boova. As you know, you are
Oh God!
but always I felt as you as a good friend and a good instructor, a Guruji type. So thanks, and we love you all. As your name, you are very sweet. You are our Priya, and as a Satya, you are always confident.
She reveals
We love
always.
you.
Hey Thakur,
Oh
hi.
God!
I
My
hope
senior.
you remember the sharpener. Yes, I know how much craze you have on for your favorite color, and you asked me the sharpener I gave. I hope the sharpener is with you. So
Purple.
Thakur, you and you and me, we have spent a little time in our college, but those memories are wonderful memories. Your dance. I just want to go back to those days, like how nicely you people were performing for us on farewell party. So I enjoyed your company. I never seen a girl like you. You're all rounder. Touch wood. God bless you. And I'm very proud of you that you'll become a very good mentor and a good person. The best quality in you is your friendship. You give lots of importance to friends, teachers, everyone. Like whoever is with you, whoever is around with you, you'll make them happy, and you want to see them happy. So I'm very proud of you, and I'm sure the students are very lucky to have a cutest and craziest teacher like you. Thank you, Harshi and Thakur students. All the best to you guys, and all the best to you too, Thakur. Keep rocking as always.
Hi.
Priya.
Very nice. I should jump somewhere now.
We actually got a opportunity to talk about our
Few words
friendship,
about you and our
yeah,
friendship.
our memories together, and everything about the times we have spent together. So we both were just thinking on what can be something we can talk precisely about you, because there are a lot of things we can talk about you. But something which strikes me and him whenever we think of Priya Thakur is ideally she is a very independent woman, and
Very innovative.
yes, she's multi-talented, and
She always
also
proves the wife with the husband will be
I
quiet.
know her as a person who loves to explore things and learn always. So I've seen her being passionate about what she does, like teaching, like whatever art or yoga or whatever she generally is into. She's been very particular about the details. I always, every year I get a anniversary message from her for the first time we met. So that she's very particular about few details. That is very rare in people in these days, because we hardly remember our own people's birthdays and all.
Because she has great memory power.
Yeah, that's the reason she's a teacher, and it's very nice to have such people in our lives, and every time we meet, it will be a lot of fun. Though we meet hardly because of this pandemic or any other situations which we are having right now, but it's so nice to have you as our friend, and yeah, this is the cutest gift we got for this friendship day from her. This is our pick, very recent one, from our friend's marriage, and we hope to receive many such cute gifts from you. And I hope
take and policy, no give and policy.
gift you also a lot of surprises and the things you love. Please, carry that passion in you always, irrespective of the age you are, and learn new things, and just be unique as you are right now.
Yes.
I think.
And we wish you all the very best.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes,
Thank you.
yes. All the very best.
So, ma'am.
Oh God, seriously, you people. See, first of all, seeing my parents talk on camera is only something because they talk so much, but you know, right? Parents' ka mentality, they don't like facing to camera. But I don't know when this happened. Okay, yesterday I went to shopping and my mom. Somewhere I was okay. She was asking me something regarding cell phone thing, like what I have to send. Something she was asking me about. I didn't even realize why she's asking me. And this Harshita, Durga, oh God, seriously, Durga ko to I will definitely call her today. Yesterday almost she's trying to pull my leg with some other things. But thank you so much, Kavya, and thanks to all the team of this Fun Short Fridays that you people made it, and such a big surprise.
I'm absolutely love the way everyone loves you. Like, you know, they were so enthusiastic about it. You know, they were like, wow. I mean, they loved this idea. Ma'am, we hope you love that video.
Amazing. Seriously, now I should tell. You people are so amazing than me, actually. Yeah.
It was awesome having you today, ma'am. I think, you know, today the studio is a bit more lively than ever before. It was, I mean, the energy right now is amazing. So, you know, from behalf of our team, we have a small token of love.
Oh God.
Token
Now
of
surprise
gratitude. So, ma'am,
Oh God. Oh yeah.
with a lot of love.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Loyola Radio team, and I would like to tell that all the people who are behind this, and definitely thanks to one and all, and thank you Kavya for this. Really, thank you for hosting
Welcome,
me.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming today. It was lovely having you.
It's my pleasure.
So guys, that was Priya ma'am today. So it was amazing knowing her beyond the classroom. If you guys love this video, please let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read your responses. And if you love it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also, we'll be back again with another amazing episode with another amazing person. Until then, keep smiling. Take care. Bye-bye. Signing off. This is Kavya. So I feel you are born only this energetic.
So kai ko shuru
So I feel you were born this energetic only. Hey,
Bonnie energetic.
energetic only.
I feel you were born this energetic only.
Only this energy.
Forget what I wanted to say.
Born only this energetic.
I feel you were born only this.
Yeah. It was coming.
Wow, that's something new we got to know. So, damn, you are a lecturer, you are a yoga teacher, you are a singer too, and you are a shit.